Good afternoon everyone, today we're looking at another Swan Edgar watch. We have looked at the Complexity before, but we haven't looked at this specific variant of that, so we can have a little look at that today. So initial look at the box, it's quite a bigger box than you would usually expect from a watch brand, and usually a little bit more this sort of size, but this one's obviously a bit bigger and is a lot more heavier as well. Nice Swan Edgar print on the top there. It's a simple navy blue lift-off style lid. Very functional really. Inside you've got it's a full slide out outside box, revealing a nice cushiony hardened cushion style box, full sort of embossing of that in there. Nice cushion press effect to the actual top of the lid. Inside you've got a nice sort of wood panel just on here. Well, it's actually wood on it, might be. It's like a wood look panel on just to add a little more of a colour to the actual side of the box. It's got a full cream effect all inside here. Got your cards as well, and obviously the main thing that we're here for is this watch here. Very nice, there's a lot of resistance when pulling that out, shows an element of quality, and the actual sides are detailed with these extra bits of cardboard here just to prevent damage to the watch box. It's a good start. So here we go guys, it's the Swan Edgar Complexity 43mm. It's got a 16mm case thickness. Let's see if I can get some light on this. Let's get some better light. That's a bit better, I suppose. Remove this little bit of cover for you. There you go. It's got a hand assembled 210 part 20 dual automatic movement. Retails around about £190 and weighs around about 100 grams. So let's have a look at the face here. So you've got a day and night sub-dial just up here. You've got the full date. You've also got a business quarter dial on the side here, and a full view of the skeleton movement inside at the bottom sub-dial just there. The hands appear to be, the hands are luminous. You've got full Roman numeral increments going all around the side there as well. And obviously you can operate that day function simply by pushing the chronograph button to push those around. And then the same with the bottom one as well. Full day and date function. Nice amount of feedback to the actual crown when you're moving the hands around. It's good to see. And it's got a nice firm click down as well. It just clicks down in place, doesn't screw down or anything like that. It's quite hard to show with this light, but you will notice that the actual face, it's got more of a purpley sort of a touch to it. The actual dial has like a spotty effect on it. It's almost taking inspiration from the other London ground complication brand. It's from Greenwich, the Accurist brand. It's got that same sort of finish on the actual dial. It's got the sort of dots effect. I'll show you. Must be the sort of style they're going for. As you can see, the dials are very similar in terms of this has got a dotted effect on it, and this has also got a dial on there. I don't want to say I prefer this watch to the other one, but when it compared together, this just does look a bit nicer. I think it's that purple dial, and that blue bit on the part of the day dial is like the day is in the day tracker. It gives it a little bit of extra colour to the actual face of the watch. So you get a full 3 ATM water resistance with this watch, sapphire glass as well, full stainless steel with hypoallergenic IP plating all around the sort of the side of there. Coming down to the strap, you've got a 22mm strap as well. We'll look onto that strap in a minute as well. Have a look around the side of the casing first. So the case has got a full polished effect on the outside, nice and shiny. all around the side. It's how the strap is housed in 2 little legs here, which means you get a full view of the actual side of the casing all around the side. No sort of markings inside the casing here. Some brands do, some brands don't. Simple purple style. It's not blue. It's a purple, slight purple strap with navy blue stitching going down the side here. It's a simple leather strap, not too expensive. Double holders, one fixed, one that's variable. It's a simple style strap. It's not too fancy. It's not a really expensive leather. Just more industry standard, really, for watches as they go nowadays. Doesn't have any sort of quick release options on the back, so it's just a case of getting a tool and putting it down the side. Little view of the back plate here. You can see a full view of the of that movement in the back, going all the way around there, and a bit more information about the watch, its serial number, etc. The strap's got no sort of metallic rings in it, so you can stretch these holes to give it more of a tailored effect over time if you wish. Let's have a look with it on the wrist. So there we go, guys. That is the Swan Edgar Complexity in the blue variant.